time to assess the damage. Whoa! Whoa! That's crazy. This is some of the craziest damage I've ever seen. Keep going, keep going.
Still going.
Keep going there.
Holy moly!
I know. Is that wild or what? Like it's
Holy crap,
twisted,
dude.
and if you turn the tail shaft, the whole box turns. Like look at it. You can see there's a window into our gearbox. It's just twisted it off.
That is unexpected, Martin.
Yeah.
Far out. I mean, it's not just like a hole in a valve. You can't just tip oil into that, let it sit overnight, and it'll be okay the next day.
Well, you know what? You can do that to dynos because that's exactly what we did. We tipped a lot of oil into that dyno.
Wow.
A whole box worth of oil.
So, can we just replace from here back?
Well,
And then is that just going to happen again?
Maybe you can replace from... Because it's like the extension housing, I think they call it. And
Yep.
I think you might be able to replace that bit. But I don't know. And I want to...
But is the fault here, or is the fault here that caused that to break and we're just going to do it again?
And that's the problem. Was there some kind of crazy vibration or something? Or was this... Like, why is the torque concentrated on this bit? That doesn't make sense to me. But I don't know. Someone will tell us. So, yeah, that's the investigation of what happened. Took a while to get the car up on stands to get on here and have a look with all that was going on. But there it is, people.
So is this now a problem for Ron?
Yeah, it's a problem for 2022.
Yeah, okay. Far out. Well, Martin, it's a good end of the year.
It is.
Some cars that work, some cars that don't, some that are registrable, some that are not.
Yeah, generally not.
Some that are legit, some that seem a little dodgy.
Yep.
It's all the flavours, isn't it?
Yep. All right, I'm getting out of here. It's too squashy. Bye. Oh, you're rolling out.